holiday trends are boring. Let's spice it up a little. Hey everyone, what is going on? LL here, leader of the Handmade and Beyond community, host of the Handmade and Beyond podcast and the YouTube channel that you're on right now. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. Helps me continue to grow the channel and bring you useful content. So the point of this video is holiday trends and how boring they are. They're when I look at trend reports or I watch other videos, they're talking about glitter and color palettes and textures, and it just doesn't really appeal to me. It's just very boring to talk about that stuff, and it's like, oh, how am I going to use this information for my own Etsy shop? How am I going to use these? Okay, there's a new texture. So how's this going to apply to me? How am I going to apply this to my Etsy shop to continue to capitalize on trends and growing my channel, or not growing my channel, growing my Etsy shop during the holiday season? So with that being said, I wanted to bring you guys a trend report, but in a different way. I want to give you some examples that are certainly not boring, that are funny, that are entertaining, so you can use these examples and information to help your own niche. Apply these examples to your own niche and create products that are similar or that are capitalizing on these trending keywords if it applies to what you're selling or what you want to sell in the future. So without further ado, let's dive into the less boring, or hopefully you think not so boring at all, holiday trend report. All right, the first trend I have for you is sequins. Sequins are trending. They're one of the things that Etsy says is trending year over year. More people are searching for sequin stuff. So in honor of sequins, I bring you a Nicolas Cage sequin pillow. As you can see, it's very sequiny, it's very glittery, and it has the beautiful Nicolas Cage's face on the pillow to keep you comforted, to keep you comfortable, and if you're a Nicolas Cage fan, this is something that you may want to get for you or for someone else that is a Nicolas Cage fan. I don't know anything about the trademark on this. It's probably trademarked, so probably shouldn't do it. But I just thought the sequins pillow with Nicolas Cage's face on it was hilarious and something that I thought that you guys would think is funny as well. The next trend I have for you guys is pajama parties and personalized items. I'm combining two of the trends together, pajama parties and personalizations, to bring you custom photo face Christmas pajama set. So you can get you and your wife, you and your husband's faces on pajamas, or maybe it's a loved one that you want to get matching pajamas for with their faces all over the pajamas. Not creepy, not scary at all to see your wife's face, your husband's face all over your pajamas. It's definitely funny. You should probably get these and wear these out in public, which I think would be totally awesome. Especially get some family pictures. Maybe get these for your entire family and switch everyone's faces up and get a family picture, because that would be pretty funny, pretty hilarious. And this matches, you're able to personalize these, obviously, and then you get pajamas out as well. You get two of the hot trending seasonal items in the form of pajama parties and personalization with the face pajamas. And mind you, I'm going to include links to all these in case this is something that, not that I'm saying that you shouldn't buy any of this stuff. I think all this stuff is great. It's funny, it's quirky, it's hilarious. I love it. But I'm putting links below in the show notes so you guys can see this stuff, buy it if you want, support these Etsy sellers, because I think they have some pretty unique stuff. All right, the next trend I have for you is engagements, which is one, and barware, which is another trend. Both of those are trending as far as the items and the keywords. So I'm combining two trends together again to bring you middle ring finger engagement gift wine glasses. So these are glasses where you can clearly see they're giving a middle finger, not the middle finger, but a middle finger, the ring finger. They're flipping you off, or flipping whoever off with the ring finger, with the showing the ring. So it's all about showing that ring, showing the pride for your ring. And not flipping people off, obviously, because it's the wrong finger. But if you look at it really fast, you may think it's the right finger. But either way, great gift, hilarious gift for people that just got engaged, or maybe you just got engaged and you want to show off your ring finger on these glasses. Either way, these are super funny. The next trend I have for you is vintage kitchen decor. So this is a hot trend. Everyone's buying old school stuff for their kitchens and houses in general. So anything vintage or vintage looking is hot and will be hot for years to come. It's something a lot of people are into. A lot of creatives are into as well. But I have something for you. I have a vintage looking sign, not actually vintage, but vintage looking, like I said. It's a sign that says, please don't make me have to poison you. So be nice to the cook, whoever's cooking, your wife, or like if you're like me, I do all the cooking in my house. So my wife better be nice to me so I don't poison her. But yeah, so this is a cool, very funny vintage looking sign. So capitalize on that. This next one is totally awesome. I seriously may buy this, but it is hilarious. So the next trend is nature decor and nature themes. So a lot of things apply under that, those keywords and those trends. But what I bring you today is a 2023 Pooping Pooches dog calendar. So it's the entire calendar is pictures of dogs pooping in nature. There's a bunch of different scenes of dogs in different settings pooping outside. My favorite is a picture of, I'm not sure what type of dog this is, but it's his name is Diesel. He is pooping in front of a no dumping sign. I cracked up when I saw this, but I absolutely love the idea of this. I think it's genius and it's hilarious as well. But yeah, so you can get the dog pooping nature calendar. But either way, the trend is nature decor and themes. This is taking it maybe a step too far, but if you have a dog lover out there, maybe they want dogs pooping on their wall. Not literally pooping on their wall, pictures of dogs pooping on the wall out in nature. Alrighty, that brings us to the next trend, which is dinner parties. So with that trend, I bring you a good example, which is napkins. Napkins are a big part of dinner parties, and luckily for you, Etsy has no short of amazing napkins that you can choose from, amazingly funny napkins that you can choose from. This one I thought was funny. Some of them are really, I think they're hilarious, but they're very explicit. This was the least explicit I could find. But this one just says, please leave by 9. So you always have those guests that kind of overstay their welcome and everyone's starting to get tired. And you're just like, okay, how do I tell these guests that, I want them to leave my house and that I'm ready to go to bed. If you're like me, I try to go to bed by 9 because I'm a loser and I don't like to stay up late. I like to get my beauty sleep, my 8 hours of sleep. So this is something that you can get to be subtle, and maybe if they're not leaving by 9, you just hand them another napkin and maybe they'll get the hint, hopefully. All right, the next trend that I want to talk about is eclectic home decor. So this is just kind of eclectic, more odd, more eccentric decor that you can get for around the house, and it can be a variety of different things fall into this, but it is a hot item, hot keyword. What I bring you and I'm going to show you that matches eclectic home decor is a knitted sign that says, damn, it feels good to be a gangster. So I love this. If you've ever seen, it reminds me of Office Space, the movie Office Space. If you haven't seen it, I would see it, but they play this song in it after he destroys the fax machine. I believe that's when they play the song. I think they played it a couple of times throughout the movie. Definitely I haven't seen this movie in a couple of years. I got to see it again. I absolutely love this movie, and you can relate to it if you've ever worked in the corporate setting, which I did for 11 years straight before I retire to do Etsy full time. So I can fully relate to office space. And this sign just made me laugh out loud because that's the first thing that I thought of. And not to mention, I think it's hilarious and it would be funny to hang up because it looks like something that maybe your grandma would knit. And then you look closer and you're like, okay, my grandma would never actually knit something that said, damn, it feels good to be a gangster. So that's why it's hilarious. So that fits under eclectic home decor for sure. The next trend I have for you is festive motifs. Sounds very fancy, festive motifs, but anything festive that you can use to decorate or accent your house, your home decor. So what I have for festive motifs is, of course, a funny doormat that says "Let's get lit" with some holiday lights on it, if I could use my words. So yeah, very funny. Obviously, it's talking about the lights, and it's not talking about drinking alcohol and getting lit that way. This is on the up and up. This is purely talking about putting up as many lights as possible and lighting them up for the holiday season. So it doesn't mean anything else than that. Certainly don't drink extra wine or extra beers when your family comes over and drives you crazy this holiday season. Definitely don't do that. All right, the final trend that I have for you guys. Unfortunately, the trends can't last forever, but you guys get the idea. This one is in the gifts domain. If you should learn anything about trends, you should know that gifts are always going to be a trend. Gifts, you can make any keyword into a gift keyword by simply adding gifts. So any niche has stuff that they can sell as gifts. So this one I thought was pretty funny. This is like a dad joke gift. So it's a dime in ring. So it's a ring that has a dime in it. So I'm sure they don't give you the dime, but you could put a dime in it. It's not a diamond ring. It's a dime in ring. So it's a play off words. Super, super stupid dad jokes. So I absolutely love stupid dad jokes, and this is right down my alley. And this is a bestseller. It's very cheap, but it's sold many, many times. And it just goes to show you that if you have something quirky, if you have something funny, you can really capitalize on it when it comes to Etsy. But this makes a great gift. Most people are probably buying this as a gift and not for themselves. It'd be hilarious to give it to your wife or if you're engaged as a funny engagement ring or something like that. They may hate you if you do it, but it would still be funny anyways. But that is it for the trends. Like I said, I will include these links and these keywords below in the notes. The takeaway from this is, how can you apply these keywords? How can you apply these trends to your own niche, to your own shop? Of course, you're not going to copy these things. Not all what you sell is going to be funny or quirky. I'm sure a lot of you guys sell serious stuff, but I like to not take things too seriously, and I absolutely love funny things, quirky things that are listed on Etsy. So I wanted to make this a little bit more entertaining rather than just show you a wreath or just show you different textures or color palettes or the normal holiday stuff that you guys always see. Of course, that is good trend material as well, and a lot of this can apply to that. But hopefully that helps you guys out, and hopefully that brings a little bit more entertainment and some laughs when thinking about trends, and you're not just like, oh, here we go. There's a laundry list of things that I'm going to zone out like I'm in 5th grade algebra class or whenever the heck you take algebra. But that is it, guys, for this episode. I'll be back really, really soon. If you liked the video, please give me a like. Please give me your comments below. What is your favorite funny trend that I presented to you today? If you sell anything else that's hilarious, make sure you let me know as well. And please subscribe to the channel so you get future updates on the different videos that I'm rolling out to keep you engaged, to keep your Etsy business going, and to learn and grow and all that good stuff. Until next time, have an amazing rest of your day.